So some of you may know that I bought a little Neo FlyMore combo with the weird controller. That's my technical term of it, the weird handle, rotational, whatever they call it. Anyways, when you buy the kit, it doesn't come with any kind of bag or anything like that. So I ended up wanting to see if I could find something to carry it with because again, carrying it all in solo pieces means that there's just a higher chance of it getting banged around. Plus, having it sit in the house, I find all the parts just you can go wherever, and then when you actually want to fly it, then you gotta pack it. This way, it's easier to pack. Anyway, I found this one on Amazon. Now, it was sold via Amazon, but it took like 2 or 3 weeks to get here. So I'm guessing it wasn't actually not actually delivered by Amazon, delivered by the company itself. But I didn't eat it any kind of rush. Came in around 35-ish dollars Canadian, so I thought that's pretty good. Now, you will notice maybe right here, um, it took a bit of a bang, I guess, somewhere. Is that a big deal? No, but it did, right? It did. So, if you're someone that's like, oh well, it's not perfect when it arrived, yeah, you're right, it wasn't. So this, you know, it's it's banged. Is that ever coming out? I don't know if it is. Other than that, though, seems like a nice sturdy case. It's got a little top handle on it right here, which is good. And little areas on the side to put like a shoulder strap on it. And of course, you open it up. You do have a section here. Build quality seems excellent, especially for $35. This is where you put like your charging cables or whatever. There's your actual strap. So this is what I'm gonna put here. Any kind of fancy strap? No, but it's a strap, so that's helpful. And this is where everything would go. So again, this one was designed for the FlyMore combo, so the combo that I have with the weird trigger. So I have everything over here, so I'm just going to slowly reach over and grab everything. So first and foremost, you do have the little drone. So before that actually goes in there, this little section here, I believe, is for the batteries. So I have my batteries, right? And those look like they'll go in there just nice. And if you need some extra batteries, this will take 3, of course, but these are little sections to put little batteries in. However, those want to go, I think it goes that way. Yeah, so you could keep that in there, put your additional batteries in there. So you could, in theory, have 5 batteries. Now, when that's there, my guess is this is just going to sit in here. Yes, just like that. So that's all right too. Now, it goes in, I want to say snug. So I'm wondering if it's better if it goes in like upside down, maybe like this. Maybe? I don't really know. I don't think so. Nope. So my guess is I would just kind of snug it in there just enough, right? I wouldn't try to get it in there too much because as you see, when you kind of push it in hard, it kind of just, what you call it, um, pushes in the guards. So I would just leave that kind of there. Don't push it in. That's my thought. And then so we got this there, we got our batteries in there. We have our controller, which is up here somewhere. One sec. So this is the little controller. Yes, right? That's the weird meow. Anyways, this should, I would think, just go in one of these here ways, like so maybe. It seems to fit best that way. Is that gonna, yeah. Okay, that's how it seems to fit in best, because if you put it in this way, oh no, it'll fit that way. There you go. That's good. And then last but not least, you have your little goggles. So again, my guess would be is just kind of snug those in. Can your goggles drop in here okay? So yes. Is there a best way to put it in? I don't know. Let's see. Maybe like that, face down. And then you can take this and kind of snug that up, right? So fits in. Is it gonna push down? Again, I don't think so. And again, you don't want to maybe necessarily push it in the other way because this, you want the cables to not get bent too much. So I would just kind of snug it like that. And then this, you'll be able to close up. Just make sure everything's tucked in there okay. Because I guess you want it, you know, snug is better than things banging around. Yeah. And then you just, there you go. I think that's okay, right? And when you get wherever you want, you should be ready to go. So excellent. Pop, pop, pop. And again, you know, you could with this, you know, I have the battery charger in here, but you could for sure just, I would think you should have no issues just putting this in here with the battery in if you wanted to, right? That goes in there. This though, just, you know, it doesn't seem to want to, and I don't know if I would. Let's see if it the other way is better. Oh, it could be that antenna is up too. No, I don't think this way is the way it goes for sure, even though it seems okay. I think it really should go that way. It seems just better, you know. And then again, this kind of stuff, can you unplug all this stuff? No. Well, you could lay it up here. Actually, that's probably even better. Just lay it up. Like maybe just lay it up here. I got stuff falling over here. Cables and stuff. Anyways, no, it should tuck in there for sure. And then just make sure all this stuff is tucked back. Then it's all in one spot. Yes. There you go. Quick little hard case. It's semi-hard, I guess, right? It's hard. It'll stop it from banging around. I think that'll be all right. It's 35. It was like 35 bucks. That's not horrible. And your Neo is protected. If you have the FlyMore kit, or you plan on getting all the FlyMore kit stuff, and you have the whatever remote that's called. Like, I never remember what it's called. You guys know what it's called. All right, guys. Links down below if you are interested in this, and I will see you guys next video. Later.